It is now 3rd down and 15. Bar 35, bar 35. Height. Hand off to the fullback. Number 40 with the ball. Turn around. He get taken out of bounds at the 40-yard line. 5-yard pickup. Brings up 4th down and 10. Ball 35, ball 35. Height. Go. Stop. Oh, nice rush. See a man's downfield. Man downfield. Ooh, just a little bit overthrown. Ooh, that boy went right over there. And it brings up 4th down. I think I need to copy it.
You gotta repeat the game.
I did copy it. And it's there. And the ball is going the other way. Good blocking up front. Back here with the Seattle Seahawks offensive scrimmage. 1st down and 20. Bar 25, bar 25, bar 25. Ready, set, height. Go. Can't throw it in because he was down. You catch the ball on the next play. Go. Nobody open. Oh, he's going to go for a tight pass downfield. Diving. He wanted to be a diving catch. Ooh, and it's batted down by Big 94. Nice play. Irons is trying to go down here. It's now 2nd down. Here, scrimmage play. Seattle Seahawks, 2nd down and 10. Height. Bar play at the 25. Ready? No, I didn't call it. I didn't call it. So you can turn though anyway. Okay, move him. Get him off the base. Get him off the base. I forgot to say height. No, I forgot to say bar call coming out the huddle. Go. Oh, we have a wide open. We're going to go to the wide receiver. Oh, nice catch. But it was too hard to try to throw it to him. But I wanted to. The winner goes to where the ball is at, not the player. Ready, set, go. Oh, and he slips on the play. 1 card. And he's tackled at the 30. 1st down. We are back here in Seattle. Offensive scrimmage is 1st down from the 45. They just got a 1st down. Bar 55, bar 55. Height. Slips on the play. 1 more opportunity. Good defense out there. What are you going to do? We're going to go for a bar play. Get a 3,000 count to measure the ball. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. Oh, this is a shady ball. Uh-oh, the pass looks like it's a little bit high. Let's see what we're going to do. Just in case if he catches the ball, he put the ball in the player's arms, which gives the defense a chance to create a fumble. Or a player just so happen to drop the ball. Let's see what we got. Go. Oh, and he catches it. And I did not supposed to stop the field from moving. So that'll be a 5-yard penalty for the defense once this pass play is finished. So it's supposed to be just like that. And 50 runs him out of bounds. We're back from the first down from the catch, and then the 5-yard penalty for the offensive holder for stopping the pass from being a completed follow-through with running. Anyway, let's go. This is first down and 10 from the 40. We're going to say that the ball's at the 35 for game's sake because it was a penalty. So let's go. Ready, set, bar to the number 35, bar to the 30, bar to the 30. Set, hike. Set, go. Nice rush down the field. Let's rush up the field. We'll dump off to the fullback. Go. Ooh, nice tackle. Gain of nothing on the play. Live tackle football. It was a gain of 5 yards on the play. It is now second down and 10. Bar 30, bar 30. Height. Set, go. And we're going to go for a bar play on the play. Bar play on the play. 3 count to bring the ball to your adjustment. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. Bar play. Go. Oh, and he misses the pass. Woo! What a close bar play that was. We're going to go bar 30, bar 30, bar 30. Set, height. Bar 30, bar 30. Pass play. Mark your defense, son. Like, try to mark your defense or something that you see that's significant that you need to mark, even if it's not playing. So you get complicated, knock the stuff down. So bar play 30. Say go. Oh, nice catch. Oh, what a tackle. Oh, they missed it. No, I think they got it. I think they just got it. First down, Seattle Seahawks. Bar 20, bar 20, bar 20. First down and 10 to go. Height. Did you turn around? Well, no, can't. Decent player was put on the mat. Going for a bar play, 5 yards. We always place the ball in the guy's hand. And that's again, so if he get hit and fumble, he hits and fumble. Okay, he was here. He just shook the guy there. So turn him this way. He's going for the bar. He gets to stay there, so when the play is over, if it happened to end, he got a chance to turn around because he could fall and cause a turnaround play. Set, go. Nice catch. Oh, turnaround play. Woo! He was taking with a lot of momentum catching that ball. Oh! And he's taken down in a big way. Taken down by the new starting Mustard for the 49ers. It is now second down and 10. Bar 20, bar 20, bar 20. Set, go. One. My son to get adjustments, but for now on, I'm not calling about that. Pass play to the tight end. Defense taking too long, and that's when you do a foul count. I used to take way too long to try to get this going. Still trying to fill out some new of these rules that we're trying to accomplish, so we're going to go to 45, tight end. Oh, nice pass. Pass was tipped and hit by the fullback. You're the defense, and you within the 5-yard line, and you don't get the ball hitting your chest and your hands, it's not an interception. If it hits your helmet, that's like a bat away. Fullback has the ball, and tight end. Ooh! He breaks the tackles. You get a turnaround call. Standing on his feet. Look like it's going to be a touchdown. Seattle goes in to score. Get a 1 count. Ooh, and he stopped at the 1-yard line. Look at that. Before he can complete a double turnaround, he gets stopped at the 1. Bar goal line, bar goal line. Height. Bar pass, bar pass. So it's to the front of the base. Put it in the big one. Just drop it in there. Put it in the big one. Yeah. I don't think it's that serious. Go inside. He couldn't move too much because he was kind of at one. No, he's way beyond. Okay, it's been a bar play all this series. Set. Play is here. Bar goal line, go. Oh, and he doesn't get the touchdown. He misses the pass. There's no guarantee with the bar play. Wide receiver slipped on the play. Defense was riding right with on him. Looked like he got it kind of tripped up from the legs of the defensive back. Bar goal line. Gonna do the automatic run play. New starter has the ball. He started in the last part of the season, Seattle's 10th season. Ready, set, hike. 1,000, 2,000, 1,000, 2,000. What? Woo! Turn around. What a hard-fought battle. Come out of no yardage so far. Ooh, and he lost 4 yards on the play. After further review, we have a 2 count. The player was stopped on a 2 count at the 3-yard line. And it's second down. Bar after one. Set, height. Bar play. 3,000 count to move it up or down. 1,000, 2,000. We're on a bar play right here. And it's a little bumping and grinding going down there. Say go. Touchdown. Seattle Seahawks scores on the scrimmage touchdown drive. Just want to say thank you for tuning in. And our season should be starting at the end of this month. And welcome to the new rules and football playing of the San Francisco 49ers and Seattle Seahawks. This scrimmage is to help us to incorporate some of the new rules that we incorporated from Fat A, which to me has some of the best league rules of all electric football. And also applying all the rules and regulations from all other leagues, picking and choosing some plays to use. We don't use the stick method here, but it's also an excellent method to play in the football league.